Hello, Whitney. This doesn't have to be goodbye. I hope you reach out and we stay in touch either through LinkedIn or Facebook. It'd be nice. I've enjoyed your presence in class, and you've really worked hard to change everything. I like that you consider changing things up to the last minute. I think it will really help you. Your willingness to change things help you to define your online presence and your media presence in general. This will be some video feedback for week seven's projects, as well as, since you turned it in so early, 8.1, which is the reflective component of the class. Good going. Whitney, there's a lot to like about this. First off, congratulations on having your own domain name. And I see that you've named it after after what you called yourself. Yeah, I'm sorry. I probably used the word whimsical too often. Maybe it's the WH in your nickname. This is great. It looks really nice the way that you've mounted it all, and I see that you've got like an 4x9 brochure portfolio. I like this idea of portfolio to go. I haven't looked at the copy really carefully, but it's great that you have fleshed it out in such a convincing way. What did you do to get it to look like a 4x9 brochure? I'm assuming that that's 8.5 by 11 actually in 3 panels. And you've applied your branding everywhere, really nicely so. I also note that you have social media down here, including YouTube. And so just curious to see what you've got for YouTube. Also with your nickname. Okay, not yet. Not available yet. Let's just see about the Twitter. Okay, so this, I guess, is in progress. And what is that? Instagram? But it looks like you got it all set up. The script in Instagram is similar to yours. Nice job. Not sure what else to say. You've got a good, solid framework in your portfolio, in your website for the capstone class. I wish you the very best with that, and I hope that you stay in touch with me. Okay, so I see you have your portfolio as a booklet format. I liked your digital resume very much, and I learned a lot. I imagine running a print production facility, FedEx facility, has taught you a lot about the software in graphic design, this Creative Suite. I see these from earlier classes too, your examples. Now, would this be an 8.5 by 11 booklet? Some examples of publication design, and of course your digital. Is this from typography? Your digital photo manipulation, very convincing. Simple, just write it on a copy. You've got social media links on your, this is your leave behind, I presume, your portfolio. Whitney, you follow the feedback implementation log rubric perfectly, and I appreciate that you pasted the prompt as a reminder. And so you very methodically listed the feedback. I'm sorry I dominate so much in the feedback, but it seems like until students get up to the level of critiquing each other pretty constantly, and I imagine hopefully that'll happen in your capstone class. Like as I said, I think you've got a good foundation for that. I really would look forward to following your progress on your branding suite and your goals. Anyway, your advice back to Stephanie. Your advice that you logged your advice from Tina is laudable, and you also follow the rubric prompt in saying how you implemented that and if it was valuable to you or not. Got some good shaping done of your branding suite. Whitney, I think your response to Shelley was good. I'm glad that you focused a bit on her website. I was concerned too about the distorted images, and sometimes if you put dimensions in your HTML for an image and then forget about that, then they will be distorted because they will try to attempt to fit the dimensions that you gave in the HTML. I'm wondering if that's what happened to Shelley. In any case, this is it's a page long. I think it's probably more than she would expect to receive in a discussion board, and I hope that it helps her out. You complimented her on her photographs. It's always good to give encouragements to peers, especially as we all head towards the end of our education goals. In this case, you're a BA. Are you thinking about going on, continuing on, perhaps getting a master's? Just curious. In any case, I really enjoyed your presence in class. I hope you considered reaching out in Facebook or LinkedIn. And best of luck to you.